Hello everyone, you're welcome to today's GD session. I'm going to brainstorm on a very important topic, that is advertising is a wastage of resources. I hope you are well informed about the various aspects of the topic. Well, avoid interruptions, crosstalks and repetitions.
Well, this time I am going to set the ball rolling and I suggest we should speak in serial order. When everyone has spoken, we can have another round.
You think I should be waiting till end just because I'm sitting on chair number 8?
Don't worry, we will listen to you when you are ready. If you please, you can be the opener of the discussion.
We should not waste time in this exercise. Anjali, you may please begin.
Thank you, Ayush. I think advertising is necessary for any product. This is how people get to know about a product. A company needs to sell what it makes. Advertising is the only way. Advertisements are the important part of the brand promotion.
Advertising not a wastage of money. If there are no advertisement in the newspaper, then we may get the same 5 to 10 times the cost which we pay now. Same is the case with TV ads. Advertising makes it possible for us to watch TV at digital payments. Secondly, the companies are not fool. They know it increases their sales. That's why they spend on ads. Research shows that if the soft drink company will stop advertising, then the industry will finish in a few months because the product is of such a nature that frequent recall is necessary to create a preference.
Excuse me, what could these soft drinks are? They feed us chemicals and colors. Companies may not be fooled, but they make us all. You spend crores on celebrity advertisements and charge all the money from us. A person runs bike over rooftops and sips the drink in glory. How ridiculous.
I do not agree with Anjali. She says we must get the information about the product. We are educated only once. If I already have an information, why should I get it every day over and over? You can't enjoy a good TV program because of long commercial breaks. I am fed of them. We are forced to see ads again and again. We have wasted hours watching breaks. Time is precious. Even if I change the channel, there is no relief.
I have heard all the viewpoints, but in my perception, advertisement is not a total waste of resource. It gives the information to the customer about the product, but a huge money spending is of course a waste of resource. There should be a limitation that how much a company could spend on the advertisement. The money which is left out after making the ads of low budget, it should be applied on the product of which they are advertising. It will make it cheap and a quality product. For example, the brand Mother Dairy is the largest brand of milk products in Asia, in spite of having no or very low advertisement. It's only popular because of its good quality.
Advertisement means to let everyone be aware of the qualities, features and relevant things of a new product until it gets familiar in the market. And it's all doesn't cost as much as companies are paying on ads, like expending a lot on celebrities or on the false animations, which are just made for the purpose of publicity. Secondly, they are not only about products and they are not only limited to TV and newspapers. We are having hoardings, boards, banners, roadside advertisements, loudspeaker announcements, cinema SMS, internet. And even some ads are made for the purpose of spreading information like Pulse Polio campaign, missing person, government notification, admission notices, etc.
I think roadside ads are dangerous. They may distract the people. Nowadays there is a fashion of politicians posting their ads. SMS ads are real nuisance.
I do not consider advertisements as waste of resources, as it provides necessary information and all available choices to the customers regarding any product or services. They are not made to cheat the consumers. Very creative and worthy people are hired to make short and effective advertisements. In my opinion, it is the most powerful communication tool to introduce a new product. It makes people aware of the new products launched. And many people just buy the product because the ad of the product is very convincing. It is a process through which people are made aware about the products and services available.
Thank you.